Hello, Peter. How are you?
Very good. What about you, Kash?
Thank you. Good to see you again. This time in UAE, we are recording this session of discussion about steam turbine oil maintenance. I would like to start with the history first, because you are 30 years into this industry. So, as far as I understand, the turbine OEM delivers the water removal technology, which is normally a centrifuge, and then particles and varnish is dealt separately in the history. So, can you talk about history a little bit, please?
Yeah, no, absolutely, Kash. The approach to steam turbine lube oil maintenance has always been water removal first, because it is generally the number one concern with lubricant quality. So it's really been a focus of steam turbine lubricant users is the fact that water is the primary contaminant. The problem with this approach is that's not the problem, right? So customers are left having to pick one solution versus another solution. So they choose water.
Okay, and then because lubricants are handled normally by mechanical people, so let's deep a little bit, go to the chemistry side of it. Water is polar, and degradation products as well are polar. So where did the emulsibility issues come from?
That's right. As the oils accumulate breakdown products, the water becomes more attracted to the breakdown products than it does to the oil itself. And normally water would just want to separate, but unfortunately, rather than separating, it becomes attracted to this oxidation material, and it forms an emulsion.
Very good. And then removing, let's say, 2,000 ppm of water from steam turbine oil. So far, there have been technologies like vacuum dehydration, coalescer technologies, and others. And as well as varnish removal technologies has been applied separately. Can you discuss about why lubricant chemical management with the ion exchange resin-based filtration is going to help with the water removal technology? How is it going to help?
Well, even stepping back from that for a second, the reason why the industry has gone to very mechanically intensive water separation systems is because water separation is becoming more difficult. And the reason it's becoming more difficult is because they're not dealing with the primary issue with why the water separation is the issue, and that's the oxidation material. So the relentless focus on water removal at the expense of chemistry management is creating this conflict.
Yeah, I have been asking you for the last 10 years that let's remove water, varnish, and particles at the same time. So I know some development has happened with EPC. Can you just let me know?
Well, exactly. What we've done is we've been applying the ICB on a standalone basis to turbine lube oils, and it does an excellent job of varnish removal, ash removal, particulate removal, additive management, but it's never been in conjunction with the water removal technology. So we're so excited to introduce SVR Hydro, which addresses not only the fundamental concern with steam turbine lube oils, which is water, but it also deals with the underlying cause of water separation issues, which is varnish, acid, and particulates.
Very good. Thank you. I have never seen such a technology before. I think customers are reacting very actively into it, and the issue of acid number increased, and then varnish increased, and emulsibility, as well as water content of the oil has been never addressed together. I think this is a step change in lubricant chemistry management in steam turbine applications, and we should be focusing more on.
Absolutely. The ability for now the users to pick one solution that addresses all of their requirements is really a step change and a game changer for the performance of steam turbine lube oils.
Thanks for the discussion and time today. We will be continuing this steam turbine oil maintenance in our next session.
Okay, thank you.